Good afternoon. I have in front of me here a DGP180 Makita grease gun. I've taken the screws out. This one's not working. I'm going to do a visual inspection. I've had a look before, but to explain to you what's wrong, I'm just doing this wee bitting. What happened to this thing is she was left overnight outside and she was partly submerged in water, which is not good for electronics. And I've looked and you can see that green tinge, that's corrosion in that air, so she won't begin to get connection. And up here with the switch, you're getting rust and corrosion again. So I would say that's probably why that's not working. I'm looking at the motor. The motor doesn't seem to have suffered too badly. That might be good news if the water didn't get in there. Might not have to replace the motor. And if I clean up the contacts, I might get away without putting the switch on it. So you'll know if I'm doing another video replacing the switch or the motor, you'll know how that went. So if you like this video and for more, please subscribe to my channel.